just ready putting her love into the chicken. The same process again. Olive oil first. Now next again, Tony's Creole seasoning. We got some garlic parsley going on the chicken jockey. And we got some mango pepper going on the other side. Got some paprika and looking reddish orange. And her love even more on the other side. Let's see how much more love she has on this chicken. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow mustard. Now she's putting her love even more with some yellow mustard on it. She flipped them back over and now she's about to get ready to put them in the oven. The oven is preheating to 425 degrees. About to put the chicken in the oven. Back here again now, taking the chicken out to check on it. Chicken. Ooh la